Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to pair your Linksys Wi-Fi extender. These handy devices boost your existing Wi-Fi signal, helping you eliminate dead zones and get better coverage throughout your home or office. Pairing them might seem tricky, but it's usually a very straightforward process. We will cover the two main methods, using WPS and the manual setup via a web browser. Let's start with the WPS method, which is often the quickest way to get connected. First, for WPS, find a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Plug in your Linksys extender. Wait a moment for the extender to power on completely. You'll typically see some indicator lights start to blink. Once it's ready, locate the WPS button on your Linksys extender. It's usually a small button with two arrows chasing each other in a circle icon. Press this WPS button. Immediately after pressing it on the extender, walk over to your main Wi-Fi router and find its WPS button. Press that button too. You usually have about 2 minutes to press both buttons. The lights on both devices should start to blink rapidly as they try to connect. Be patient, this can take a minute or two. Once they are successfully paired, the indicator light on your extender will typically turn solid green or white, showing a good connection. You can then unplug your extender and move it to a good spot, roughly halfway between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi. Plug it in, wait for the lights, and your extended network should be ready. Now, if the WPS method doesn't work, or if your router doesn't have a WPS button, don't worry, we have the manual setup method. For this, plug your Linksys extender into a power outlet very close to your main router. Wait for it to power on. Next, grab a computer or smartphone. Open your device's Wi-Fi settings. You should see a new, temporary Wi-Fi network created by the extender. It might be named something like LinksysExtenderSetup or Linksys_XT_setup. Connect to this network. There's usually no password needed for this initial connection. Once connected, open a web browser, like Chrome or Firefox. In the address bar, type extender.linksys.com or 192.168.1.1 and press enter. This will take you to the Linksys setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll likely be asked to create an admin password for your extender. Then, the setup wizard will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your main home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your main Wi-Fi network's password when prompted. The extender will then connect to your router and configure itself. Once the setup is complete and confirmed on the screen, you can unplug the extender. Move it to a suitable location, again, about midway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Plug it back in, wait for the lights to indicate a strong connection, and your extended network will be active. Remember, for optimal performance, place your extender in a location where it receives a good signal from your main router and can also broadcast a strong signal to your desired areas. Avoid placing it behind large metal objects or near other electronics that might cause interference. If you ever run into trouble, a simple reset button on the extender can often fix minor issues, allowing you to start the setup process again. We hope this guide helps you get your Linksys Wi-Fi extender up and running smoothly. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tech tutorials and tips. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching.